So this is my grandfather. I call him Popie, and he has been wearing hearing aids for over 20 years now. His previous set of hearing aids were bothering him, and he only had them for a couple of years. So I got him set up with a free consultation and hearing test with Earlux. And after the evaluation, they decided that he was a candidate for a set of Earlux hearing aids.
So hold it all like that. Now move the phone. Slide the whole phone to the left just a little bit. Yeah, and get a little closer.
So they have 3 different sets that they offer. Some that go directly in the ear, then some that are over the ear. And he got the ones that go over the ear. And so after meeting with his audiologist, which was done virtually, they got him fitted properly and tuned and adjusted so he can hear, and he's really been liking it. And you can use your phone, right, to adjust the hearing?
Yes.
Okay.
Sit right here on top of your ear, right next to the end of the arm of your glasses. The wire comes around the front like that. Do my thing.
If you were talking to somebody and asking them like your favorite thing about these hearing aids, what would your answer be?
Well, it's very comfortable, and you forget that you're even using it, and you're just able to hear like I did years ago.